Hey, what's going on? This is Muriel from the Sunshine Feminine. If you're looking into the topic Digital Nomads Costa Rica and how to make money in Costa Rica online, then I'm really happy that you found my video, because this is where I live. I am officially, Dirk and I are officially digital nomads. We are a couple from the Netherlands who moved to Costa Rica in 2018 together with our 2 children. And thanks to our online business, we were able to literally close our laptops back in the Netherlands and open them here in Costa Rica. And if we decide to not like Costa Rica anymore, it's easy to close them again and to open them wherever we prefer in the world. Now, I can imagine, and I do know that a lot of people want to learn more about what it is that they can do to earn a living online. And there's not just one way to earn a living online. There is hundreds and perhaps even thousands of ways to earn a living online. I master a couple of them and I teach a couple of them. But one of the biggest things that people overlook is what I will be touching on in this video. And it has everything to do with digital nomads in Costa Rica and how you can build a rock solid business. Now, before I'm gonna dive in, I'm firstly really gonna quickly invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You see a little icon on the screen, but also there's a world of information below this video in the description. And if you subscribe and hit the bell, you receive a notification every time I upload new content. And it's always Costa Rica related. It's not always about building businesses online from Costa Rica, but also about lots of practical other topics. So if you're interested, check out my other videos. I'm happy to serve and teach you with love and pleasure everything I have learned myself. I'm not the Costa Rica expert, but I'm happy to share what I know. So if you want to learn what is 90% of a successful online business, stick to my video until the end, because I will tell you all about it. Hey, what's going on? Muriel here from Costa Rica, from my home, with another video, a live video, a question that a lot of people ask me. Why is there just that small amount of people who make it online, who make that dream income? If they see me having a successful online business, you must know I started in 2013, and in 2015 I quit my job. It didn't really work out the first year, but I learned so much in that first year to 2 years. And I'm here to inspire those who are looking to build their online business, more feel stuck, don't know where to start, don't know who to trust. I decided to go live every day or every other day. Yesterday it was raining so hard, I just didn't go live. I didn't want to bore you with a lot of noise here. It's Costa Rica rainy season, but today's beautiful weather. I'm about to hit to town with the quad to bring my son to his kickbox class. But here's the answer to my question. And let me know if you're watching live. Just say hi in the comments below. And if you have questions, type them below. I will try to answer it. And share my video if you think someone else can benefit from it. But is it really so hard to be successful online and make your dream income? And that what is your dream income is for everyone different. But overall, financial freedom starts for most people with making $10,000 to $15,000 per month. And I am not talking about grinding away behind a laptop, being on the phone 15 hours per day, and chasing friends and family and strangers. That is not what Dirk and I teach our students. That is not, according to my values of success online, is no freedom. That is really slavery of your own business. So I think reason number one why there's a big group of people not succeeding, meaning a small group succeeding, is that a lot of people see it as a hobby and they're not willing to find professional mentors or coaches or education or coaching. I'm just giving you a very clear example. If you would want to dive in the big ocean, in a coral reef or something, would you just, without having any classes, knowing anything about the tools that you need, like your oxygen, your flippers, your whatever, about how many oxygen is in there, how deep you can go, would you just dive off or jump off that boat and jump in with that tools on you without knowing what to do, what to pay attention to do it safe and to really enjoy it? The same for, can you just ask from yourself to be an excellent pianist or violin player without having a proper instrument and a mentor teacher? For most people, that is really a no-brainer. Lucky que pasa, come here. Oh my goodness, my dog just came from the, look. He is wet and you have all green stuff on you. Look this. It's sticky green stuff. It's sticking everywhere. But so a lot of people don't allow themselves to learn it the proper way and do not allow to learn from, come here Sophie, oh my doggies are here now, to learn from a professional teacher who has success and can show them exactly what to do. That's where most people go wrong. Step two, where most people go wrong, is that they're actually too comfortable in their world right now. They have a comfortable income, a comfortable job, a comfortable reality, a comfortable business. Yeah, they're not ultimately happy because, you know, their work is keeping them from their beloved ones and the things that they really want to do, love to do. But now all my dogs are here. It's always like that. So this is the smallest one. Here is the biggest one. And there is the black one. But yeah, a lot of people, I get so distracted. I love to work from home this way. Okay, so yeah, you just must know that. Okay, Sophie, say it. Huh? Tell them you're here now. Well, anyways, don't step in that trap. Okay, it is very important that you dare to just say enough is enough, no matter if you're comfortable or not. For a lot of people, the pain is not big enough, or let's tweak it, their vision is not strong enough. Because here's the thing, if your vision is not strong enough, it is hard to press on when you are facing challenges. And Dirk and I basically didn't have a choice to just, I see my uncle Henk is here. Happy anniversary! Fijne 7, they are 60 years married. That's my uncle from the Netherlands. And Dirk is watching from San Jose. He is there to pick up her daughter and pick up a car. But I'm so happy to see you here. So have a big, strong vision, and that will help you overcome. And if you're comfortable, do you think that you can press on and do the things that you need to do to make it online? So what are the things that you need to do to make it online? For example, and that's where a lot of people start quitting, you need to allow yourself to learn new skills and to step out of your comfort zone. And a lot of people ask me too as well, can I make money online even with being invisible online? And then I was like, what's so scary about being visible online? What is scarier, being visible online so people can find you and can track back your marketing? And don't worry about that if you don't know how to do it. That's easy to learn. Tech part is 10%. But what is scary about when people can check you out on your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube, wherever platform you love? Or is it scarier that you're stuck in your job or your traditional business that's making you literally sick, burned out, unhappy, tearing your family apart because your kids are stressed because of your busy jobs as parents, what is scarier? To just know that you have to do that until the day you die? Or, you know, my uncle, for example, Uncle Henk, he's an example with my auntie Rietje. They're married 60 years, they're in their 80s, but they are from the generation that you had a pension. And they are, I think, one of the last people who can enjoy their pension. But that business model doesn't exist. There is no pension for people after a specific amount of years working, 65 or whatever. It's not existing anymore. So, you know, it is important that you step out of your comfort zone. And I teach my students always, you know, what is scarier? I think you must know. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. Yes, you can set up automated systems and programs, and I use them myself. That's called a sales funnel, and I strangers can find me. I am live on Facebook. I talk with a lot of people through my social media platforms. That's semi-automated. This video that I make, I'm also going to send to my email list. People can see me, can get to know me, can like me and trust me, or just think, she's weird, I don't like her accent, I don't like her. That's fine by me, you know. I'm still okay with that, because then this message is not for them. So why do most people fail online? Is because they quit. Because they quit because they are too comfortable. They are afraid to be shown, to showing themselves, and you know, they're not willing to learn professional skills from a professional mentor, and they see it as a hobby. So how can you learn something that should replace your full-time income by some free training, or $100 training, or a $300 training? What are you even thinking? If you think that, that's the biggest mistake, because you treat it as a hobby, and you should treat it as a professional investment that can serve you for the rest of your life. I started in 2013. Everyone called me crazy. I got weird messages like, be careful for all the scammers. And I'm not saying you should not be careful for scams, but there's someone at my gate, obviously. It is very important that you realize that there's a lot of people making a solid income online. The reason that you're not doing it, or that a lot of people are not doing it, is because they forget those three important things. So I want you to pay attention. Everyone can make money online. I cannot guarantee you anything, of course, because I don't know you. I don't know your work ethic. I don't know if you pursue a big dream that I had when I started online. I don't know how persistent you are or consistent you are, if you're willing to invest in mentors and invest time and all that stuff. But I assure you, I did it, and I'm so glad I did it, even when no one believed in me. Even I was kind of flat broke because I was a social worker, but we manifested always the help that we need to get a step further, and we just started to show what we were learning ourselves. We started to teach everything I learned myself. And you can scroll back on my wall. I started to do this type of videos 8 years ago. And I thought, screw it, what do I have to lose? I have a long life ahead of me. I have 2 growing up kids. I don't want to burn out in my social worker job. It's gonna happen if I'm gonna be comfortable in that. So I stepped out of my comfort zone and invested in a coach. And I just did it. And I want to motivate you to do it too, because I believe in you. But you have to just make 2 fists and just go for it. There's nothing to lose. What is scarier? To trust on that job that is no security these days? I think that's bloody scary. You should be afraid of that. So if you need help, or just want to say hi below, reach out to me on a personal chat or in the comments below. Share my video, like my video, give me some hearts. If you don't like it, fine by me, you know. I'm not gonna be less happy. I am here on a mission to inspire those who are not happy and fulfilled in their lives. And now I have to just wrap up my video, because it's time to drive to Santa Teresa and to bring my son. And there's Jillian saying, that's super scary, independence is crucial, and you know it. And Jillian is one of my coaching students, or she's graduated, and she's amazing. She has a YouTube channel. She's sharing her passion and her skills, and she just did it. She's doing it, you know. And Jillian knows how scary it is, and I'm still once in a while scared. I'm human, you know, but just know that it's normal to feel that way. But you have to just press on anyways. If you are serious about making your freedom amount per month that sets you free from your job or brick and mortar business, you need to change things. Well, with that being said, I hope that you found value in my video. Again, I'm looking forward to some comments. Big hugs from Costa Rica. Yes, Jillian saying the unknown is always a bit scary. For sure, freedom lies outside of the comfort zone. 10% is tech skills, and that is the framework of your business. That's the funnel. That's the technology, and that's easy peasy. If someone is showing you exactly what to press, what to do, how to build a page, how to make a link, it's the easiest. The other part is what I just talked about. Did it help? Please let me know. Give me some feedback. Give me some feedback. And if you want me to cover a specific topic tomorrow or the day after, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the personal message, and I will think about if I can make a video about it. I'm happy to serve. Bye for now.